The Embassy Office Parks REIT, that's India's first real estate investment trust initial public offer, that opens today. Sonal Bhutra is with us to run us through all those details. Hey Sonal, good morning.
Good morning Nigel and welcome back. And yes, as you rightly pointed out, India's first REIT IPO that is going to get launched today, and it is launched by Embassy. So basically they will be wanting to raise around 4,750 crore rupees via this IPO. They will be issuing around 158.6 million units that will be priced at 299 to 300 rupees per unit, and this price is around 20% below the net asset value of all the assets that this company is currently holding. Basically, they will be offering around 8.25% yield that will be equally distributed between interest and dividend. So it will be interesting to see what kind of payments do the unit holders get. The proceeds that the company will get will be used for debt repayments and also acquisition of new assets. Additionally, the company has around 32.7 million square feet of assets as of now, and also 2 under construction and 2 completed projects. They were working at an occupancy of around 95% in FY18. In last 3 years and 9 months, company has leased close to 6.8 million square feet of office space, and they have achieved occupancy of 95% in last year. And before that, the occupancy levels were averaging around that 93.4% mark. And post the utilization of these IPO proceeds, the debt will fall by around 15%. And the company's top 10 tenants include the likes of PwC, Cognizant, Nokia, JP Morgan. So all these marquee tenants are something that actually lead to all the lease rentals that the company earns. And as on 31st December, they had a portfolio of around 32.7 million square feet of assets that was valued around 28,900 crore rupees. So the total value of portfolio is around 32,000 crore rupees. They have also projected cash flows of around 2,073 crore rupees by 2021. And investors like RK Damani has also invested in this particular IPO. So it will be interesting to see what kind of interest do they get from the retail investors, considering the minimum amount is around 2 lakh rupees. Back to you.
Okay, Sonal, thank you so much for that. So keep an eye out on that primary market action today. But one stock which has been facing some turbulent times is Jet Airways. Now we get the news that Jet Airways has cancelled all the flights to Abu Dhabi from today, as well as some unrest when it comes to the pilots, because they seem to have written to the Labour Ministry to manage their dues as well. Anu Sharma joins in with the latest on that. Anu, tell us what's happening with Jet Airways. More trouble brewing.
Well, Jet Airways, yesterday they said that they will suspend all flights to and from Abu Dhabi, which is Etihad's base. Now, interestingly, this comes at a time when Naresh Goyal had actually written to his employees a couple of weeks back that the situation will turn in company's favor, and he was confident that the situation will improve by March 18th. But actually, that has not happened here, and it looks like the larger picture remains that Jet Airways is telling Etihad that we want the money and we want the money right now. But as far as Jet Airways official comment is concerned, they continue to say that it has happened due to operational reasons. The pilot situation is worsening because on Friday, the pilot union, National Aviators Guild, they wrote to the Labour Ministry and also to the DGCA saying that the situation is very bad. We are not getting paid. And planes are grounded, over 50 planes are grounded of Jet Airways. So we need your help in seeking salaries which have been delayed for over 2 months. So it will be interesting to see how the situation it takes a turn for the worse or the better, because that is what Naresh Goyal had given a timeline to his employees of March 18th, and today is that.
Okay, all right, Anu. Thanks so much for that.